Did you know that fishing is one of the few outdoor activities that actually becomes more popular as we age? In fact, over 40% of all anglers are now over 50, and that number keeps growing every year. There's something magical about fishing that draws us back to the water decade after decade. But let's be honest, what worked for us at 30 doesn't always work at 70. Those early morning trips that used to energize us can now leave us with aching backs, stiff joints, and frustrated fingers trying to tie tiny knots. But here's the beautiful thing. Today's fishing gear is designed with us seniors in mind, making it easier than ever to enjoy the sport we love well into our golden years. I've spent months researching fishing gadgets specifically for seniors, and today I'm sharing 33 absolute game changers that'll keep you fishing comfortably for years to come. You'll find links to everything in the description below, so let's get started. First up, and this is something every senior angler needs to consider, is the fishing chair with rod holder and cooler. Gone are the days when we could stand on the bank for hours without feeling it the next day. This brilliant 3-in-1 solution gives you a properly supportive seat with excellent back support, crucial for those of us with lower back issues. The built-in cooler keeps your drinks and medications within easy reach, while the adjustable rod holders mean you don't have to grip your rod constantly, giving those arthritic hands a well-deserved break. At 350 pounds capacity, it's sturdy enough for anyone, though at 15 pounds you might want to use a wheeled cart to get it to your spot. Now, let me show you something that'll save your fingers, the Easy Reach and Portable Hook Remover. As we get older, our reflexes aren't quite what they used to be, and getting too close to sharp hooks or angry fish becomes genuinely risky. This extended 11-inch tool keeps your hands completely safe, while the spring-loaded mechanism requires barely any grip strength. If you've got arthritis or tremors, this tool is absolutely essential. It's particularly wonderful for catch and release, being much gentler on the fish than struggling with pliers. Speaking of grip strength, here's a simple tool that makes a huge difference: the retractable line scissor. No more fumbling through tackle boxes with stiff fingers looking for something to cut your line. This clips right onto your vest or belt, extends when needed, and retracts automatically so you'll never lose it. The serrated blade cuts through modern braided lines that regular scissors can't handle, and the spring-loaded action means even weak hands can operate it easily. Let's talk about something that used to be a two-person job: the line spooler machine. Remember asking your spouse to hold the line spool while you wound the reel, trying to maintain proper tension? This device does it all automatically, preventing line twists and ensuring perfect line lay every time. For seniors who fish regularly, this eliminates one of the most physically awkward tasks in fishing preparation. It handles all spool sizes and folds flat when you're done. For those spontaneous fishing moments, the fishing rod with telescopic fishing pole is absolutely perfect. As we age, we often downsize our vehicles or find it harder to transport full-length rods. This carbon fiber rod collapses to just 14 inches, small enough for a glove compartment or even a walker basket. When extended, it handles fish up to 10 pounds quite well. It's ideal as a backup rod or for seniors in assisted living who want to keep fishing but have limited storage space. Here's something that prevents those heartbreaking last-second losses: the fishing landing net. Our reaction times might not be what they once were, and bending down to grab a fish becomes both difficult and dangerous as we age. This net features tangle-free rubberized mesh and a telescoping handle that extends up to 45 inches, meaning you can land fish without excessive bending or stretching. The quick fold design makes it easy to manage even with limited mobility. In our modern world, the waterproof phone case has become essential safety equipment for seniors. Your phone isn't just for photos anymore. It's your lifeline if something goes wrong. This case keeps your phone completely protected while allowing full use, so you can call for help, check medications, use fishing apps, or stay in touch with family. It floats if dropped, and the bright edges make it easy to spot, crucial for those of us whose eyesight isn't what it used to be. Organization becomes more important as we age, and the fishing backpack is designed with seniors in mind. Instead of carrying multiple boxes and making exhausting trips back and forth to the car, everything goes on your back with well-padded straps that distribute weight properly. The compartments keep everything organized so you're not searching with tired eyes, and the insulated section keeps medications cool if needed. This is especially helpful for seniors who fish alone and need everything within reach. Now, here's something economical and practical: reusable fishing bait. As we retire and live on fixed incomes, constantly buying live bait becomes expensive. These silicone lures last hundreds of uses, move naturally in the water, and come pre-scented. They're also much easier to handle than live bait, No more chasing minnows around a bucket with arthritic hands. They work especially well in murky water where fish rely on movement and scent. When winter comes but the fishing bug still bites, portable foot warmers are essential for senior comfort. Poor circulation is common as we age, and cold feet can end a fishing trip before it starts. These rechargeable units provide up to 8 hours of warmth with different settings, slipping right into your boots. The smart sensors adjust temperature automatically, ensuring comfort without burning. They're the difference between fishing all day and heading home after an hour. Moving along to lures, the fishing lure spinnerbait is perfect for seniors who can't cast as often as they used to. This lure covers lots of water with each cast, attracting fish from distance with its vibrations. The wire frame resists snagging, meaning less lost tackle and less frustration. It's particularly effective in stained water where precise lure presentation matters less than attraction power. Don't underestimate the hook sharpener. This simple tool can make up for decreased hook setting power. As we age, that sharp snap of the wrist becomes harder, but a truly sharp hook requires much less force to penetrate. This tool has guides that maintain the perfect angle even with shaky hands, restoring hooks to surgical sharpness in seconds. Use it regularly and you'll be amazed how many more fish you land. For those long waits in cold weather, the heated seat cushion is a blessing for aging bones. The rechargeable battery lasts 6 hours with 3 heat settings, perfect for seniors with arthritis or circulation problems. The memory foam provides support for tender backs and hips, while the waterproof cover handles morning dew. Many seniors tell me this single item extended their fishing season by months. Winter fishing becomes enjoyable again with the insulated ice fishing tent. Setting up in under 2 minutes with easy pop-up design, it provides windproof shelter that retains body heat beautifully. The clear windows let you monitor your lines without leaving warmth. Crucial when getting up and down becomes difficult. It accommodates 2 people comfortably, perfect for fishing with a buddy for safety. Technology helps seniors with the underwater fishing camera. This isn't just a toy, it's a learning tool that shows you exactly what's happening below. Connect it to your phone or tablet, the larger screen is easier on aging eyes, and watch fish behavior in real time. Understanding why fish aren't biting helps you adjust tactics without endless casting. The 100-foot cable reaches most spots, and infrared lights work in murky water. For seniors with weakened arms or conditions like arthritis, the electric fishing reel is truly life-changing. Imagine fighting large fish without exhausting yourself or aggravating joint pain. The reel does the hard work while you guide the fish, maintaining the fun without the strain. The digital line counter helps you return to exact depths, and there's always manual control if you're feeling strong. The portable fish finder takes guesswork out of fishing, which is important when energy is limited. This castable device shows depth, temperature, and fish location on your smartphone. No squinting at tiny screens. It works from shore or dock without installation, perfect for seniors who no longer own boats. The sonar reaches 135 feet deep, giving you professional fish finding capability from your favorite bank fishing spot. Simple comfort matters, and the umbrella mount clip bracket provides essential shade. As we age, we become more sensitive to sun exposure, and medications can increase photosensitivity. This clamp holds any umbrella at adjustable angles, attaching to chairs or rails. Paired with a good chair, it creates a comfortable fishing station that protects you from harmful UV rays all day. Here's something that really produces results when traditional lures fail: the rechargeable LED light wobbler. The flashing light attracts fish in low visibility conditions when subtle presentations don't work. While some might call it cheating, I call it adapting. When you've driven to your spot and your energy is limited, you want to catch fish, and this lure delivers when others don't. Eye protection becomes critical as we age, and these polarized sports sunglasses are specifically helpful for seniors. They cut glare that causes headaches and eye strain while actually helping you see fish and structure underwater. The wraparound design protects from all angles, and the floating strap with bright colors means you won't lose them overboard. They also protect eyes that may be recovering from cataract surgery. Staying dry is crucial for senior health, and waterproof fishing boots provide essential protection. Wet feet lead to chills and potentially serious health issues for older adults. These boots feature aggressive treads that prevent falls, a serious concern for seniors, while the neoprene lining keeps feet warm without excessive bulk that makes walking difficult. The reinforced areas protect vulnerable toes from impacts. At home, the wall-mounted fishing rod rack helps seniors organize gear safely. No more rods falling over and creating tripping hazards. The horizontal storage prevents warping, and having rods visible and organized means less searching and lifting. Installation is straightforward and it frees up floor space in garages where mobility aids might need to maneuver. Safety is paramount for senior anglers, making this mini first aid kit essential. It contains fishing-specific items including antiseptic wipes, various bandages, burn gel, and quality tweezers. The emergency whistle is crucial. If you fall or have a medical event while fishing alone, it could save your life. Everything fits in a waterproof case that easily attaches to your gear. Protecting aging skin becomes important with cut-resistant gloves. Senior skin is thinner and heals slower, making even minor cuts problematic. These level 5 resistance gloves prevent injuries from hooks, fish spines, and knives while maintaining the dexterity needed for fishing tasks. They're machine washable and much more protective than regular fishing gloves. The Rapala Fisherman's multi-tool puts everything in one easy-to-access package. For seniors, dealing with multiple tools becomes cumbersome, but this combines pliers, scissors, knife, and more in one unit. The lifetime warranty means it's the last multi-tool you'll ever buy. The included sheath keeps it secure on your belt where you won't forget it. Keeping bait healthy matters when trips to the bait shop become difficult. The bait cooler box maintains perfect conditions with quiet aeration and temperature control. The 2-gallon capacity lasts all day, and the rechargeable battery eliminates dealing with cords. For seniors who can't make frequent bait runs, this keeps minnows alive for multiple trips. Lost lures get expensive on a fixed income, which makes the magnetic hook retriever invaluable. Extending to 15 feet with powerful magnets, it retrieves snagged lures you can't reach by bending or weighting. While it won't help with soft plastics, it saves expensive crankbaits and spinners. Many seniors say it paid for itself in the first month. For reaching distant spots without excessive casting, the bait thrower launches bait accurately up to 100 feet. This creates feeding zones that bring fish to you, reducing the need for constant casting that can exhaust aging shoulders. The adjustable power settings provide control, perfect for seniors who want to fish efficiently. The fishing life jacket designed for anglers could save your life. Unlike bulky general-purpose vests, this stays comfortable during fishing movements. Multiple pockets hold gear, and automatic inflation activates if you fall overboard. Crucial for seniors fishing alone. The high back design works with boat seats, encouraging you to actually wear it. Brilliant for securing rods, the magnetic fishing rod holder attaches anywhere metal with incredible strength. No more rods sliding around in vehicles or boats where they create hazards. The rubber coating protects finishes, and the powerful magnets hold even in rough conditions. Perfect for seniors who need equipment to stay put and organized. Vision problems make knot tying frustrating, but the electric fishing hook tier solves this completely. Just insert your hook and line, press the button, and get a perfect knot every time. No more squinting, no more shaky attempts with cold fingers. The battery lasts for months of regular use, and it handles the most common fishing knots seniors need. Staying organized gets easier with the fishing rig holder/hook organizer box. Pre-tie your rigs at home where you're comfortable, then store them ready for instant use. No more struggling with knots in wind or cold. Just clip on a fresh rig and keep fishing. Each compartment stays visible, so tired eyes can quickly find the right setup. Finally, the quick knot tying tool and line cutter helps with two constant challenges. The tool guides line through paths that create perfect knots even with trembling hands or poor vision. The recessed cutter safely handles tough lines without risk of cuts. For seniors dealing with dexterity issues, this tool maintains independence on the water. Well, my fellow senior anglers, there you have it. 33 gadgets that can genuinely transform your fishing experience as you age. Remember, getting older doesn't mean giving up what we love. It just means being smarter about how we do it. These tools aren't about admitting defeat to age, they're about adapting and continuing to enjoy the sport that's given us so much joy over the years. Every sunrise on the water is a gift, and with the right equipment, you can keep making those memories for many years to come. Check the description for links to all these products. If this video helped you discover ways to keep fishing comfortably, please subscribe and share it with your fishing buddies. Until next time, stay safe on the water and tight lines, everyone.